Didgeridoo hand-painted teak wood professional sound extra large size 52-inch JIVE brand. We believe that the healing sounds of the didgeridoo project striking resonant vibrations with the potential to heal mind, body, and spirit. Yet after our research so far, we now know that not all didgeridoos are created equal. Above, we listed the 6 didgeridoos that come highly recommended. This teak wood didgeridoo, however, has made it to the list of best didgeridoos for beginners as one to avoid. These instruments are undeniably pretty and boast colorful, one-of-a-kind designs, but on further examination have landed at the bottom of our list for a few reasons. This fair trade item is handmade but heavy. These didgeridoo are nice but can be a little clumsy and cumbersome. At a full 5 pounds, not everyone will be able to maneuver the instrument successfully, much less travel with it. This didgeridoo makes a very beautiful sound, yet mastery of the circular breath is essential for play. It isn't a great didge to begin playing around on in an attempt to learn the circular breath it takes to be a real pro at playing the didgeridoo. In fact, it seems that the only way to get a great sound out of this didgeridoo is to pretty much be a pro. That is the most significant reason it is on our list as one of the worst didgeridoos for beginners on the market. Although it is a nicely crafted piece, the instrument just isn't easy for a beginner to play. We just can't recommend this didgeridoo for beginners. However, we continue to maintain respect for its makers as well as for the instruments themselves. Here are some pros. Fair trade item, handmade and one of a kind. Here are the cons. Reports of item arriving in poor condition can be very hard to play for a beginner. Accomplished skill with circular breath required for successful playing of the instrument. Heavy.